Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Healthy Habits Hub. Did you know that more than 68% of adults have some form of dental plaque buildup, and it can harden into tartar in just 48 hours if left untreated? Today, we're going to dive into the number one remedy for removing plaque quickly at home, while also exploring the wisdom of ancient healers like the Greeks and Romans. We'll even cover how to combat bad breath and avoid cavities, so stick around for some crucial tips you won't want to miss. Let's start with a look back at history. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, once said, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." This idea applies perfectly to oral health. What you consume and how you care for your teeth can either promote health or contribute to decay. Ancient cultures, like the Romans and Greeks, had their own ways of dealing with dental issues long before modern dentistry. The Romans, for example, used mixtures of burnt eggshells, ox hooves, and pumice stone to clean their teeth, often combined with vinegar for its antibacterial properties. This historical perspective reminds us that even back then, people recognized the importance of keeping their teeth clean. Now, let's fast forward to today. Dental plaque is a sticky, colorless film that forms on your teeth every time you eat or drink, especially sugary or starchy foods. This plaque is made up of bacteria, food particles, and saliva. These bacteria feed on sugars and carbohydrates in your diet, producing acids that weaken the tooth enamel. If this plaque isn't removed regularly, it hardens into tartar, also called calculus, in just 48 hours. Tartar is much more difficult to remove and can only be cleared away by a professional dental cleaning. Once tartar forms, it creates a rough surface on your teeth, making it easier for more plaque to build up. This leads to a vicious cycle of bacterial buildup, increased acid production, and further damage to your tooth enamel. Tartar buildup near the gums also causes gingivitis, which is the early stage of gum disease. Without treatment, gingivitis can progress to periodontitis, a more severe form of gum disease that can lead to tooth and bone loss. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive treatments to tackle plaque at home. One of the most effective natural remedies is baking soda. This versatile ingredient is slightly abrasive, which helps to physically remove plaque. It's also alkaline, meaning it neutralizes acids in your mouth that weaken tooth enamel and contribute to decay. Here's how you can make your own baking soda paste. Mix equal parts baking soda and water to create a paste. Brush your teeth with this paste for about 1 minute, using gentle circular motions to focus on areas where plaque tends to build up, like your gum line and between teeth. Rinse your mouth thoroughly afterward. Baking soda also has a mild whitening effect, so it's an all-around win for oral care. Another ancient method still popular today is oil pulling, which comes from Ayurvedic medicine. Oil pulling involves swishing coconut oil in your mouth for about 5 to 10 minutes. Coconut oil has powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which help to reduce the bacteria in your mouth, including those responsible for plaque and cavities. Here's how to do it. Take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and swish it around your mouth for 5 to 10 minutes. Be sure to spit the oil into the trash, not the sink, to avoid clogs. Afterward, rinse your mouth and brush your teeth as usual. Oil pulling helps not only with plaque, but also with bad breath, as it reduces the bacteria that cause it. You can even add a drop of cinnamon essential oil to the coconut oil for an extra antibacterial boost. Prevention is always better than cure. It's far easier to prevent plaque from hardening into tartar than it is to deal with the consequences afterward. Once tartar forms, brushing and flossing alone won't remove it. You'll need a dentist to scrape it off. That's why consistent daily oral care is so important. By brushing and flossing regularly, you can stop plaque from hardening and avoid complications like gingivitis, cavities, and bad breath. In addition to these remedies, consistency is key. You can use the baking soda paste every other day and practice oil pulling about 3 times a week for the first month, reducing it to once a week as a maintenance routine. This will help you maintain a healthier smile, fresher breath, and stronger gums. Before we wrap up, let's talk about how rotten teeth from cavities can cause bad breath. When bacteria in your mouth feed on food particles, they produce sulfur compounds, which are the primary cause of halitosis. If you have decaying teeth, the bacteria in those cavities can worsen the problem, leading to even worse breath. So, maintaining oral health isn't just about aesthetics, it's about your overall health too. Now let's touch on probiotics, a growing field of research when it comes to oral health. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help balance the microbiome in your mouth and gut, reducing the harmful bacteria that contribute to bad breath, plaque, and gum disease. Incorporating probiotics into your diet can make a big difference in your overall oral health. If you're looking to increase your intake of probiotics through natural food sources, here are some of the best options. 1. Yogurt. This is one of the most accessible sources of probiotics, containing beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Look for plain, unsweetened yogurt to avoid added sugars, which can feed bad bacteria in your mouth. 2. Kefir. A fermented dairy product, kefir contains a wide variety of probiotics that can help balance your oral and gut health. 3. Sauerkraut and kimchi. Both are fermented vegetables that contain probiotics and are great for digestion and reducing harmful oral bacteria. 4. Miso. A fermented soybean paste. Miso can also help promote good bacteria in your mouth. 5. Kombucha. A fermented tea that provides beneficial bacteria and yeast to support both gut and oral health. Additionally, you can consider taking probiotic supplements. When choosing a probiotic, look for supplements that contain strains like Lactobacillus rhamnosus and Lactobacillus reuteri, which have been shown to reduce bad breath and support gum health. Aim for a supplement with a high CFU count, between 10 to 50 billion CFUs per dose, and take it in the morning or before bed, ideally after brushing your teeth, so the bacteria can colonize your mouth without interference from food or drinks. By incorporating probiotic-rich foods or supplements into your routine, you're not only improving your gut health, but also helping to balance the bacteria in your mouth, reducing your risk of bad breath, plaque buildup, and even gum disease. In conclusion, removing plaque isn't just about looking good. It's essential for maintaining healthy teeth and gums. By using simple remedies like baking soda and coconut oil, you can keep plaque under control, reduce your risk of gum disease, cavities, and bad breath. And by adding probiotics to your diet, you can help balance the bacteria in your mouth and promote fresher breath and healthier teeth. As ancient healers like Hippocrates believed, let food be thy medicine, and in this case, that includes what we use to clean our teeth. Give these remedies a try and let us know how they work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on